Morning everyone, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I've got my morning espresso. Yes, I can't live without my coffee. Let's get into the cryptos that I'm buying today, and the one crypto that is absolutely flying and it is making the news. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Yes, I've got my morning espresso. I'm going to have a quick sip of that. Oh, that's fantastic. A few of you have commented saying, where's your coffee? But there it is, guys. I have my espresso every single morning before doing these videos, especially talking about cryptos. Gets the mind ticking. All right, so just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you up here who have subscribed to the channel, guys. It's incredible. The community is growing so fast. It's awesome. I love talking with all of you in the comments and the community tab up here. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about personal finance, building financial freedom. My goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along on this incredible journey with me. It's been insane, and we're all on the path to build generational wealth here and be financially free. So who doesn't want that? So come along on this incredible journey. Little disclaimer though, I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research and due diligence. It's very important with all of this stuff that I'm doing here. It can be extremely risky and volatile, and I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. And I've seen a few comments below in these videos. Some people have been scammed out of cryptos and stuff like that. Please do not ever respond to these WhatsApp people down in these comments. They're scammers, they're bots. Do not talk to them at all. I will never ask you to message me on WhatsApp. Also, just be careful of scammers. I've seen a few things on TikTok as well. Just be careful out there. If anyone's asking you that to send them, like for example, I saw one the other day with XRP, sending them all your XRP and they'll double your returns like instantly or something like that. Don't ever do that stuff. You'll never get your cryptos back. It's gone. So just be very careful out there. There's a lot of scammers and a lot of people that want your money and they just want to rip you off. So just be very careful, all right? Also, do your own research as well with any of this stuff. Jump on all the websites, Lunar Crush, Medium, Reddit, obviously Twitter, Google, everything. Get confident before jumping into this stuff. And my golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose, all right? So I hate losing sleep overnight, but you've got to set a limit for yourself just so you can, don't have to stress about everything, all right? So please be careful. All right, so today's video is going to be just an update about what cryptos that I'm buying at the moment. And, obviously I like to give updates of what cryptos and projects that I'm investing in at the moment. And I'm going to go through those now. So the first one I'm going to talk about is XYO. Guys, this cryptocurrency has been pumping at the moment. And I'm just going to show you something here in relation to a news article, right? So this is a news article on Decrypt, sorry. I use this on a daily basis to check on my news update, obviously with cryptocurrency. So you got here, altcoins sell off while exchange listings boost Cody and Conflux their network, which is incredible. But if you keep scrolling down, check what's on this list here. This is in the last 24 hours. The price changes XYO. It's gone up 16.75%. And if you keep scrolling down here, XYO volume surges. The XYO network is comprised of a network that of devices that anonymously collect and validate data with geographic component geospatial, which is an incredible development and utility, because it's just going to change the way like GPS works and how you can track items, work with insurance companies for damaged stuff, and it's just like mail, like post and stuff like that. You got medical sector as well. You've also got like the government sections as well. I won't get into that, but it's on their website. Have a read of it. It's fascinating stuff. So check this out. So all data obtained from tracking devices on the network are stored in the XYO blockchain. Vortex data on Cointelegraph. So this is Cointelegraph. What am I doing? Markets Pro began to detect bullish outlook for XYO on August 21st, and I can safely say it's been the only cryptocurrency that's been pumping at the moment in my portfolio, other than XRP, on August 21st, prior to the recent price rise. So check that out, guys. That's on Vortex score. Green versus XYO. Look at that incredible uprise there. I can't really zoom on that, but I'll get into trading view in a second. So as seen on the chart above, the Vortex score for XYO climbed into the green zone on August 21st and reached the high of 72 around 67 hours before its price increased 36% over the next 2 days. This is incredible. I told everyone about XYO in my previous videos. It was a hidden gem. It still is. I believe it's at around 1 cent at the moment. In actual fact, I'll get into CoinMarketCap so we can have a look at this now while we're on it here. So obviously, guys, I try to provide different, things about cryptos. I mean, everyone does the sort of same stuff. And yes, I've been covering a lot about XRP, but now I'm just going to start talking about other projects that I'm buying. Obviously, and I'll get through the list that I've bought, and I'm going to continue buying. So XYO is down 0.32% today on the day. It is at 1 cent AUD. This is Australian dollar. So if you're in the States, it's well and truly below that. It's up 8% in the last 24 hours. That is insane. So it's up 32.4% in the last 7 days. 30 days, it is up 66%. In the last 90 days, it is up 70%. In the last year, it's up 1,630%. It's ridiculous. This coin just took off like a rocket. I don't even know why, but obviously I dollar cost averaged into this, and I've got a decent position in it. I'm very happy about that, and going to continue to hold because I think this coin's got a lot more to go. And of all time, I'm just going to quickly show you 131%. But in the last year, it's up 1,600%. Can't complain about that. It's got a market cap of under $1 billion there, and circulating supply is 12.8 at the moment, and it's got a total supply of 13.9 billion tokens there, and it's got a trading volume in the last 24 hours of $7.3 million. A lot of people are buying this. For those of you who want to know where you get XYO, it's on KuCoin. You will need Ethereum. You will need Bitcoin. Either one of those to buy it. You've got to swap that out in your trading account on KuCoin, and obviously then you can swap or purchase XYO from there and then transfer it out into whatever wallet you're using, and that's what I've done as well. So XYO is on KuCoin, which is incredible. Check it out. Do your research, obviously, but that's one project that I'm definitely adding to my position today. What else have we got here? XRP. I do keep an update on the news, and there hasn't been anything in terms of XRP news today. This is Coin 360 here, and you can see what's going on here. Basically, a lot of red going on here. Not worried about that. I keep an update on the news. Obviously, I did a video yesterday in relation to this, the email that came from Frank. Thank you, Frank, in relation to the case and the SEC obviously not determining XRP was a security about 2 months before this court case got raised with the SEC and Ripple. So I keep an update on this on a daily basis, guys, and there isn't much floating around at the moment, but I am dollar cost averaging into XRP, and I'll just show you the price of XRP. And I do use CoinSpot for those of you who are in Australia. I'm not sure if you can register with CoinSpot overseas. I haven't tried, obviously, because I'm not overseas, but this is where I buy my XRP. So if you're new to cryptos, please feel free to use the referral link below. You and I can get $10 in Bitcoin, and who doesn't want Bitcoin? It's just going to go to $1 million eventually, so why not? It's up to you though, whatever, don't mind if you don't use it. So obviously you got Bitcoin sitting at 66,000 today, $291, so 66,291, which is incredible. Ethereum's at $4,446, which is down today 2.77%. Cardano was down 3.67%. This has dropped quite a bit. BNB's down to $690. XRP sitting at $1.56 today. So it is on the down. It's a great opportunity to add into your portfolio. Just dollar cost averaging, that's what I'm doing. Please do your own research with this stuff, but it has a trading volume of $2.6 billion, which is unbelievable. Market cap is sitting at $70 billion there, which has gone up significantly, obviously. And obviously in the last week, it's on the down, but in the last month, it's gone bloody skywards, which is incredible. And obviously in the last year, it's just gone parabolic. And obviously this just calmed right down, obviously, because of this case. And it hasn't dropped below $1.50, and if it does do that, I'm definitely adding to my position with XRP. Just because I think this project is literally going to change the world with terms of banking, financial institutions, industry. It already is partnered with the Australian government as per Energy Web there, which is incredible. So XRP is definitely one that I'm adding to my position as well. I'm just going to show you XRP today. Let's get that up here and see what. No, I don't want to remove it from my watch list, but here we go today. In the last hour, it is down 0.63%. In the last 24 hours, it is down 5.23%, $1.50 Australian AUD. And I'll should pull up TradingView because I want to check that out as well. 7 days, it is down 10.76%. 30 days, it is still up 75%, which is great. I don't think it's going to drop much below $1 anymore. Honestly, I just think it's just there's too much interest out there in the crypto market at the moment. So 90 days, it is up $25. Would that be good for $25? In the last year, it is still up 317%. So that's incredible to see that. Market cap 70.7 billion, 46 billion in supply is circulating. It's got a total supply of 100 billion. So it's got a trading volume of $6.8 billion. So there's a lot of people buying XRP. Love the project. Let's move on to the next one. XDC is definitely one that I'm adding to my position as well, because this is a great project. It has got some incredible partnerships as well, and obviously it's part of the ISO 22, which has got a lot to do with the SWIFT and financial institutions. It's part of that whole 2030 thing there, which is incredible. Obviously it's XinFin network. I purchased this when it was not on CoinSpot here in Australia. And I'll just quickly show you the trading volume and stuff. So in the last hour, it is up 1.08%. 24 hours, down 9.12%. 7 days, it is down 13.36%, but I'm not concerned about that. 30 days, it is up 78%. That is incredible, guys. In the last 90 days, it is still up 189% in the last year. Look at that, 1,800%. Ridiculous stuff. This is incredible. Sitting at 19 cents AUD, and obviously here you've got a market cap of 2.3 billion, $20.2 million in trading volume here. Circulating supply is 12.2 billion, and obviously total supply is 37 billion XDC. So it's ranked 66 on CoinMarketCap at the moment. So XDC is a great one. I'm just going to check the price here on CoinSpot. Again, it is on CoinSpot, and it only got listed like a couple of hours after my first video on XDC. There we go. Here it is sitting at 19 cents, which is still a great buying opportunity. It's a great time to buy the dip, obviously, but be careful with this stuff. 24-hour trading volume in Australia here, you've got 6.6 million, so it's quite low. Market cap $2.3 billion there, and obviously in the last week it's down. In the last month it is up, and in the last year it is flying. All right, let's move on to the next one, guys. VeChain. Everyone knows I'm bullish on VeChain. Already got insane partnerships with VeChain. You know, you've got BMW, you've got Renault, you've got I believe it's what's the company in the US? Is it Walgreens or something like that? I can't remember. Forgive me. I've done a video on it before. Just there's so many partnerships with it, but it's got incredible utility. You know, from supply chains, from when the product was manufactured to the end, with food and consumer staples and stuff like that. Obviously with luxury goods now, with their partnered, and it was actually founded by the CEO of Louis Vuitton Group. I think it's called LMVH or something like that. Incredible stuff here, and obviously they are planning to use chips in luxury goods to check the legitimacy of those products, which would be great as well, because you won't have to question whether or not the product's legit. That'd be incredible as well. Will change the game for sure in the fashion industry. That is just mega. So it's down 0.03% today. Oh, it's actually up 0.03% today. It is down 24 hours, 6.41%. 7 days, it is down 7.80%. 30 days is still up 45%, which is incredible. 90 days, it is pumping at 12.76% in the last year. Let's have a look at that. It's up 649%, which is great. 16 cents at the moment. Market cap sitting at $10.5 billion. Circulating supply is 64 billion. Total supply is 86 billion. So there's a good market. It's a good cap there, right there. 24-hour trading volume has been $1.3 billion. So it's ranked number 22 on CoinMarketCap, which is great. And let's just open up this here so we can see the founder, VeChain, product creator and co-founder of Sunny Lu, the IT executive who was formerly CIO of Louis Vuitton China. There you go. So great project, guys. Definitely one that I'm buying today because I love VeChain. The other one is REEF, and a lot of people aren't talking about REEF, but it's a great hidden gem, I believe, anyway. So I'm going to just quickly show you the volumes at the moment. It is down 0.44% today in the last hour. 24 hours, 7.15%. 7 days, it is down 7. Oh, I just hate this when it does it. 6.40%. 30 days here, you've got it's up 60.23%. 90 days, wait for it to load. It's got a mind of its own, this bloody app. It's down 14.66%. In the last hour, it is up, so year, 6.90%. It's pretty much remained steady at around 3 cents to 2 cents. That's when I've been dollar cost averaging into this, adding to my position. Quite happy with my position in REEF. Obviously, it's got a market cap of under $1 billion at 0.4. The circulating supply is 13.6. Total supply is 15.9. Trading volume is down, obviously, just under $1 billion there, so that's incredible. It is Ethereum. It's an ERC20 token as well. And let's just quickly go here. So REEF is a DeFi platform built on the Polkadot network, so that aims to deliver cross-chain trading. That's a tongue twister. A yield engine and smart liquidity aggregator are among the project's offerings. Work begun on the project in the second half of 2020, so it is a very new project. Those behind REEF argue that the process of trading, lending and staking crypto is currently fragmented, creating a painful experience for all its participants. REEF aggregates liquidity and provides automation. Forgive me, it's still early. It also aims to address the drawbacks associated with existing trading platforms. While centralized exchanges are prone to security breaches, decentralized rivals can lack liquidity and are often difficult to use. So REEF is definitely one that I'm adding to my position because it's cheap right now and it will move ahead in the future. This is a long-term hold for me. Let's get on to the next one, guys. Okay, Bitcoin. Obviously, everyone's saying don't buy Bitcoin, but it's sitting at $65,000 Australian right now. And my thing with Bitcoin, obviously, is that it's a long-term hold for me. Dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Yes, it's been around for a very long time. It is the OG. It is the original one. And Bitcoin is, obviously going to hit all-time highs very soon. Dollar cost averaging for me is my goal is with Bitcoin, just to add to my position. This is a long-term hold, something I'm going to store my value with, put it in cold storage, leave it there, don't touch it. But Bitcoin is, I'm wanting to add more to this, obviously, because the price of it has just gone absolutely parabolic over the years. It has been ridiculous. It has fluctuated. You can see right here, look at this in 2014. You can see the price increases there. Obviously, it had the peak when I first bought into Bitcoin at 20 grand, $20,000 back in 2017. Then that's when everyone went crazy, the last bull run, basically. So then it's just remained pretty much flatline there. But you can see here in 2021, peaked up to $80,000 right there, and it hasn't dropped below that, and it's sitting at $65,000. So I don't think that it will drop below this much more. If it does, I'll just continue buying and dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Definitely one, obviously, to consider long-term storage in cold storage, and to hold long-term. Obviously, there's 21 million Bitcoin, and circulating is 18.7, market cap $1.2 trillion, and circulating 24-hour trading volume has been $45.9 billion. A lot of institutions are now adopting cryptocurrencies. They're trying to start ETFs with this stuff, like exchange-traded funds. You've got countries that are starting to accept Bitcoin now as legal tender, which is crazy. El Salvador. It's just, it's not going anywhere. Obviously, there's a lot bigger players now, CEOs, financial institutions that are adopting cryptos, and Bitcoin's the number one there. And definitely one that I'm going to be adding to my position today. So Bitcoin's one. The other one is Ethereum. I haven't really spoken about Ethereum, and there's been a lot of stuff happening with Ethereum over the last couple of months, obviously, and I'm just getting into Ethereum. Obviously, I've been speaking a lot more about altcoins, obviously XRP, XDC, and all these other ones, XLM and all that, and I'll get into that in a second. But Ethereum is one I'm wanting to add to my position as well, because I've seen some price predictions flying around with this in the next, 2025, around the $18,000 mark. Definitely something to consider, and there's a lot happening on the Ethereum network as well. There's a lot of projects that are on there, which is crazy stuff. But the price today is sitting at 4,325 AUD. Obviously, that is a lot of money for those wanting to start out in Ethereum. I know people that have gotten into Ethereum when it was like, in the hundreds, if not less. And they've held it for years, so they've had incredible wealth generated from this. But Ethereum is one that I'm definitely going to be adding to my portfolio, sitting at a market cap of 507 billion, and circulating supply is 117.2 million Ethereum, and 24-hour trading volume has been $24.3 billion. So it's incredible stuff here. And I'm going to do some more videos on Ethereum, but obviously there's a lot more people out there that are much more privy to Ethereum than I am. So definitely one that I will add to my position and look into, obviously, and provide more updates on that, because that's one that I need to. And the last one, guys, is XLM. The Stellar Network, which is very similar to XRP. Obviously, Jed McCaleb is the founder of XLM, which was a former founder of XRP. So XLM is just a no-brainer for me. I'm very bullish on XRP, and XLM is definitely one to add to my position in this as well. And in the last hour, guys, it's down 0.06%. It is sitting at 47 cents AUD, by the way, and 24 hours is down 4.58%. 7 days, 8.40% it is down. 30 days, it is still up 33.38%. In the last 90 days, wait for it to load, down 11.27%. And in the last year, it is up 264%, which is really good stuff, guys. And it's sitting at a market cap of $11.1 billion. Circulating supply is 23.5. Total supply is 50 billion XLM. And it's just got a trading volume of under $1 billion, guys. So there you go. Jed McCaleb, founder of Stellar, with the lawyer Joyce Kim after leaving Ripple in 2013 over disagreements about the company's future direction. So there you go. It's just a no-brainer for me to have in my portfolio. And that's pretty much it, what I'm buying today. Definitely going to be adding to my positions, which is incredible. Obviously, the other ones that I'm holding are Cardano. Let's have a look here. Sorry, this is not my watch list. Let me just get into that now. So I'm definitely adding to those ones that I've just mentioned here. So XYO, adding to that, XRP, XDC, VeChain, REEF, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XLM. They're the ones I'm adding to today. These are the other ones I'm holding as well. BTT, Shiba Inu, one that's just a fun play for me. I'm holding that. Theta, Hedera, Hashgraph is one that I'm adding. Holochain, Seacoin I'm holding. Theta Fuel, AMP is one that I'm looking at adding more into. Excuse me. I did purchase some on Coinbase the other day because I just wanted to try it out. Obviously, I saw stuff flying around with this with Amazon, but that rumor got debunked, obviously by an executive from Amazon or someone who works there. But some awesome stuff happening with this project as well, and I'm just going to monitor that for the moment. DigiByte I'm holding, Talcoin, and obviously XDC. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you an update what I was buying today because I've done a lot of videos in XRP. And we'll keep monitoring this case because August 31st is fast approaching, and I believe there's a phone call that's happening. And I wish I could dial in because it's early morning, but I might do that actually. We'll see how we go, but we'll keep an eye on that. All right, so let me know in the comments what you plan on buying. Are you waiting? Are you holding? Are you dollar cost averaging into this stuff? What are you doing? Let's talk about it in the comments. All right, stay safe out there. Happy investing. Peace. Bye.